Let me show you how you can do Teamwork CRM import. You will learn how to import companies, contacts, and deals into Teamwork CRM. You can try to do that with Import to Wizard, a third-party import tool. There are two options of import into Teamwork with Import to Wizard. First, import data directly from another cloud app into Teamwork CRM. Second option is to set up Teamwork CSV import of your contacts, companies, and deals. We start with an option to import data directly into Teamwork CRM from another app. We will set up Contacts Import. To start using Import to Wizard, go to import2.com. You can start a free trial of Import to Wizard to check it out first. Type in your name, email, and select a password to sign up. First, we add Teamwork connection to Import to Wizard. To do it, log in to your Teamwork account from dialog window that appears on your screen. To see how to import from a CSV file, go to 3 minutes and 50 seconds in this video. On your Import to Wizard account, select App-to-App Import. First, you select an app you import from. If you haven't done it already, add a new connection. I will import HubSpot contacts, but your contacts might be in any other app. Then select Teamwork. When doing import into Teamwork CRM, you have three options. You can import new records, add new contacts, it is called import, update existing contacts with new data, update, or select a combination of those two, import new contacts and update data on contacts you have in Teamwork. This is called upsert. I will use the first option to import new contacts to Teamwork CRM. On the next step, I use drop-down menus to select data fields in HubSpot, the app you import from, and a corresponding field in Teamwork CRM. This is called mapping. Email is a mandatory field to be mapped during contacts import, and it should be unique. Teamwork is not allowing two contacts with the same email in database. Now your import is set up. Click Start Import and continue. On the next step, you can preview imported contacts with direct links to open them in Teamwork CRM. So, this is the way you can import companies, contacts, and deals from any other popular app into Teamwork directly. Second import option is to import data from a CSV file. I have opened my sample CSV with deals in Google Sheets. There are mandatory fields when importing deals into Teamwork CRM. Make sure to have in your file currency code to indicate the currency during the import, deal stage name exactly as you have it in your Teamwork CRM. To do deals CSV import, select the feature called CSV Import. First, I select Teamwork. Here you have a list of data types you can import from a CSV. I select Deals here to add deals into Teamwork CRM. Upload a CSV file with deals. Then match data between CSV file and Teamwork deals fields. This is called mapping. Map columns, fields you want to import. I start with deal title and value. Then I map deal stage and currency. Be careful to select data format exactly as you have it in your CSV file. I link deals to contacts. To do that, I map the field contacts. I select full name here, since this is what I have in my CSV in this column. If you want to link deals to companies, you should have them imported prior to deals import. Once you have mapped the fields, press to start the import. Then you get a preview of which deals are imported into Teamwork CRM. You can import companies' deals contacts into Teamwork from a CSV file following the same steps. That's it! You have learned to import data into Teamwork CRM. Subscribe now to our channel not to miss videos about import and export of business data. Visit import2.com for more information.